The weight of 4 puppies are shown in pounds. Which list shows these weights in order from greatest to least? Now, with this problem, what I need to do first is I need to convert all of our numbers to the same format. So we have 9.5, 9 3/8, 9.125, and 9 3/4. The easiest thing for me to do is to convert the whole numbers with the fractions into decimals. So I'm going to start with 9 3/8. Now when I have 9 3/8, I don't need to worry about the whole number right now. I just need to look at the fraction. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide 3/8. So 3 goes on the inside, 8 goes on the outside. Obviously 8 can't go into 3, so I need to add a decimal point. 8 can go into 30 3 times, which gives us 24. 30 minus 24 is 6. We don't want a remainder, so I need to add a 0 and bring it down. 8 can go into 60 7 times, which will give us 56. 60 minus 56 is 4. Again, I need to add another 0, bring it down. 8 can go into 40 5 times, which will give us 40. So now I've finally gotten to 0. So don't forget, we need to include back in this whole number. So now we know that 9 3/8 converts to 9.375. Okay, now the next one that we're going to focus on, I'm going to move this over, is 9 Okay, so here I have 9 3/4. Again, all that I'm focusing on is the fraction. Okay, so my 4 needs to go on the outside, my 3 needs to go on the inside. So 4 cannot go into 3, so I have to add a decimal point 0. 4 can go into 30 7 times, which is going to give us 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. I don't want a remainder, so I have to add in a 0. 4 can go into 20 5 times, which is 20, and now we've made it to 0. Now again, don't forget, we have to go back in and add our fraction to our whole number. So now I know that 9 3/4 converts to 9.75. So since I've converted my two numbers into now decimals, now I can compare all of my numbers. So I know that we have 9.5, 9 3/8 converted to 9.375. We have 9.125, and then we have 9 3/4, which converted to 9.75. Okay, so now if I look at all of these, I need to figure out which one is the greatest. Now we're going to look at the decimal place right after the decimal point, and we're going to look for the greatest one. So 9.75 is our greatest, which is 9 3/4. So we will do 9 3/4 is our greatest. The next greatest would be 9.5, then 9.375, which was 9 3/8, and then last is 9.125. So the one that matches that is going to be D.